Yeah, that's my boy. In his cap and gown. He did his thing today. He's graduating on Sunday. And he's 16. You know what? He knows the moon ain't supposed to be doing cartwheels. They talk about it in the school. Takes it. Teachers talk about it. Friends talk about it. It's because the fucking moon ain't supposed to be doing cartwheels like IMF line shouldn't be there. It is going on all day, all night, all day, all night, all week, for months, 2 years now. Been building up to this slowly, gradually. See the quake map? Did you see it? That's normal, isn't it? This is normal too, right here. Just all this IMF line, all right here. It makes total sense for it to be there. Ask Ben Davidson why this is going on. Take him this picture. That should never be there. There it is. See quake map again? Have a nice day.